guys, today we're going to be learning some interesting facts about fern. See, this is a fern leaf. Ferns are some of the oldest plants in the whole entire world. They were around 360 million years ago, before any flowering plants appeared on Earth. So in the era of dinosaurs, there were forests of gigantic ferns. A lot of oil and coal we use for energy are ancient fern forests compressed over millions of years. Fern leaves unroll from tight spirals. Here is one spiral. Russian legends say that fern blooms once a year on summer solstice. If you see a fern bloom, you will be happy for the rest of your life. In Finland, they say that if you find fern seeds on summer solstice, they will take you to a hidden treasure. But the truth is, ferns never produce flowers or seeds. Like moss and mushrooms, ferns spread by making spores. Hey guys, look, you find spores on the back of a fern leaf. Coming next, fun facts about a dandelion.